So here we are on the pier at Bampe, and we're just getting ready to get on the big boat over to Koh Samet Island. I think it's 45-minute crossing, and they take you around all over the place. We've just parked this car up securely for 100 baht a day, so that's fine. So anyway, I'll show you. So we'll just wait for the big boat now, and I believe, I'm not sure, no, that's not the island. Very nice day. Nanyue hip here. Very nice, beautiful day. Beautiful day. The sea looks nice and calm. Everything. I believe that you can see the island from here. So we'll just have a little. That's the mainland over there, and I believe that's the island up the top end. I believe that's the island through there. We're looking up. Over there. That's the island over there. 45-minute trip. This is his pilot. And that's Koh Samet over there. So it's going to be quite a calm journey. Should be okay. No, well, I'm on about, that's not Koh Samet. Koh Samet's over there. That's Koh Samet over there. That's the mainland. So it's going to be a decent journey. Looks so it's nice and calm, everything. And the boat looks quite busy. Well, that beach you can see straight ahead is White Sands Beach, and that's where we're stopping. That's where a lot of entertainment is. But there's a lot of little coves and everything all around this island, and it's really a beautiful place.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit